Liberty is celebrating the Independence Weekend with their first Independence Bun.
I like it.
The bun is hot, but it's nice. The product makes its debut right here on Sunrise this morning. And here to tell us all about it is the marketing officer at Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica Limited, Rushanette Howell. And of course, to add a remix in the way we prepare our Independence bun is Independence Bun Chef Extraordinaire Whitney Walcott. Good morning, ladies, and welcome to Sunrise. How are you?
Thank you for having us. We're doing good. We're doing good.
It's a good thing. We're hungry. So I'm liking this. When I heard that Miss Birdie was going to be here, I'm like, you know what? I'm liking that I'm at work today. This is awesome.
And you know, Miss Kitty, today always let's say you come to the retail outlet to buy Miss Birdie.
Hello, somebody talk to me. You can call my people. Call my lawyer, because every year I go. Like, so I don't even buy it at the supermarket. I come down to Valentine's Drive. I come down there. Yes. So, because to the cashiers.
See, that's an lie that.
Dennis, I don't. I never tell a lie.
Never tell a lie.
You understand me? I say I'm real to the thing, you know. You understand?
Really?
All right. Like when I saw the setup this morning, I was like, you know what? I actually introduced my family overseas, Whitney, to Miss Birdie Bun. Wow. Like I'm like, guys, stop eating that. That bun that's a nerp. This is it right here. Yeah. And big ups to Auntie Donna as well, who is an ambassador for Miss Birdie. So big Donna Marie Gow, good morning. Yes. So talk to us, guys. Independence Bun. What's so different about this bun as opposed to the ones that are normally on our shelves for Easter?
Okay, so everybody loves Miss Birdie Bun, right? So we said, instead of just doing it for Easter, why not Independence too?
Yes.
Because we're so patriotic at Independence time and emancipation, and we want to share the love. For Miss Birdie, love is the best ingredient, and we just don't want to share love at Easter. You don't want to share the love in Independence too. And what a time like this, especially the Olympics, right? To launch it. So we're very excited. We're very excited.
So is there what, a special additive, a special ingredient, a
so
special
it's a little bit different, but the love is still the same.
All right. What's
for the taste. So you get Miss Kitty, I'm going to leave the taste up to you.
Okay.
For you to tell the people.
As a Miss Birdie Bun,
yes, extraordinaire.
I want you to be able to say, oh, the difference is this.
Yes.
I'm gonna leave that up to Miss Kitty.
Not a problem at all. I noticed that they're smaller as well. Is that by design?
Yes. So we wanted to offer it a little bit smaller because normally we have a 42 ounce, but this is 28 ounce.
Okay.
So we're introducing it. So we want the feedback. Tell us what you think.
Oh, you're gonna get some feedback today.
Yeah. Well, Whitney, talk to us about what do you bring to the table, my love?
All right. So we're trying the famous grilled bun and cheese.
Okay. Oh, grilled bun and cheese.
Grilled bun and cheese.
Wow.
So we're using the American cheese, which melts easier than the tasty cheese.
Okay. You know, say Whitney now, uptown settings, that grilled bun and cheese. Now my little cut
nice,
the bun, shove in the cheese, and squeeze it little sometimes. Then you squeeze your bun. You squeeze it out.
I know, you have to.
It have a buzz.
You have to squeeze
it up, make it nice. You ever squeeze up bun and cheese without some hot tea, some Milo?
Better yet, ever had bun and egg?
Bun and egg?
But we can see
I can see it.
With egg, with cheese, with some lettuce and tomato.
That have a vibe. I can see that. The power bun.
Hold on, you know what bad? Bun and patty.
Truly.
Bun and cheese and patty.
But you know what butter? Bun and fish.
Butter?
Butter.
No, man.
The butter.
Yeah.
Listen, I remember telling my family about it because my mom, she bust me on bun and fish. And
No, man, but traditionally, because at Easter time, people eat a lot of...
But I've said it to so many people, and people are looking at me kind of weird, like, Miss Kitty, what, bun and fish? I'm like, guys, bun and fish is the truth and the light. That's how it is. Miss Birdie Bun and fish.
Bun and fish is very nice.
Yes, it is.
If anybody eats the back of the bun.
The back of the bun. You go like, you know what, eat till when you're hungry and all say yeah? It's all right, I'm going to take it.
I guess the good thing about Miss Birdie Bun is all of it can eat.
Yes.
Even the back, the bun back.
I don't have a problem with any part of Miss Birdie Bun at all. It's all great.
Soft right through.
Right through. I absolutely love it. So where, Rushanette, can we get the buns to buy? Are they in every supermarket? Are they in supermarkets island-wide?
Yes, they're in supermarkets island-wide, and you can visit us at Miss Birdie Jamaica, and we have the specific shops all across the islands that they're available.
Okay, fabulous. Yes, I absolutely. All raisin bun there, the wheat one.
Yeah.
Like I'm a purity girl. Like I literally.
I can tell. I can tell.
I do.
The raisin bread is really the best.
Yes.
The texture.
Yeah, hello, girl. Never fail. I have no bread pan right now. Yes. Even when I'm trying not to bite, then it's like it calls my name. I hear
Miss Kitty, I need to talk to you, man.
Yes, you do.
We need to have
Yes.
a conversation.
Yes, definitely. Yes. Good morning to the owners of Continental Bakeries Jamaica Limited. Yeah, man. It's really nice, and I like the texture. And as I said, I like also the freshness. And what I love about Miss Birdie products or Continental baking products is the fact that consolidated bakeries is the fact that because they go so fast, then it's the amount of time to steal on the shelf.
Yes, that's so true, Miss Kitty.
Yeah, girl, remember some bite every time.
I know.
Well, I know. Well, I can't claim to be that much of a bun connoisseur, but you see, Miss Birdie crackers.
Yes.
Oh God.
The wheat crackers.
Yes.
You see Miss Birdie cornbread.
Yes.
I remember there was a time when on Twitter back then, I used to just randomly tweet about Miss Birdie and our crackers, and then she started tweeting me back.
Wow. Miss
And
Birdie
I felt like how the New Zealand girl felt when Shelley replied to her.
Yes.
That's how I felt.
You felt love, Dennis.
I felt love, which is why I know that love
is the best
ingredient.
I'm telling you, Dennis. I'm telling you.
No, and it's a real thing.
Amazing.
Like Miss Birdie is a real person.
Yeah. Yeah.
She's out there and she knows me.
So Whitney, all right, so we're grilling the bun and cheese. I've never had grilled bun and cheese before. So the essence of it is to make the bun warm and to melt the cheese.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Look at nice.
And those grid lines.
Yeah.
Grid lines are winning.
Yeah.
I like it.
That's hot. That's wonderful.
You need a variation. You know, it gets boring when you just eat things regular. You know, you need to change it up.
Well, the only thing is Miss Birdie don't bore none at all. It's so soft and beautiful. Let me tell you. Yeah, all the time. It's great. It's great, but I love this. Yes, I do smell it. So tell us, Roshanette, why should persons go and get this? And by the way, is it available in our airports? Because I know we have a lot of Jamaicans coming in and out of the country. Can they get it at the airports to buy?
Well, we definitely need to get it into the airport. I don't think it's in the airport right now, but I definitely think that's somewhere we need to get it, especially for those persons coming from abroad who wants it.
Absolutely.
Yes.
All right, Dennis. All right, Miss Dennis. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. But while Dennis is cutting, careful while he's cutting. And by the way, again, good morning to all the cashiers at Miss Birdie, right? At Purity Bakery.
Miss Wilma.
Miss Wilma, hello. To all of, even the security guard, because normally I buy so many buns. The security have to help me carry them out. You understand?
Big up security.
Because I give to persons, you know, the staff and stuff like that.
Nice.
So yeah, girl, I be doing my shopping. So.